Penguins were all back defending, but it's the Caps with the puck. A long shot. Fired hard by Johansson. Score! Wow! It's a powerful line. Johansson, Kuznetsov, and Williams, and everybody got into it. And Kuznetsov has Washington ahead in a hockey game.
Kuznetsov starts this play off, and he gets the puck up high after the giveaway here in the middle of the ice by the Penguins. He'll take it, he'll get it back, and then he'll swoop around and get the puck right back as it lands on his stick after the shot is initially blocked by Johansson. Schultz looking the wrong way. Kuznetsov almost on the goal line, and he beats the puck to the post there as Fleury's trying to get back against the post and doesn't do it on time. All from the giveaway by the Penguins in the middle of the ice there, just inside their blue line.
3-2 is your score. The Capitals have taken the lead, but a lot of time left. Big rebound off Holtby on that shot, but they get away with it. And here's Ovechkin. His shot is blocked. Another one! Scores! Told you this building was ready to explode. And Kuznetsov, and now Ovechkin, and here we go.
Everybody has been waiting for this. When was he going to break out? He finally gets some ice and then gets the puck back on a stick after Hainsey initially blocks the initial shot. And he stays with it. And then when you get Ovechkin in that area and a second shot opportunity, with the goalie moving, he doesn't miss many.
2 goals.